Hello everyone, welcome to ITCPower, Empower Your Business. Today we introduce the DG150KSE, a three-phase silent diesel generator designed to provide reliable power for commercial and industrial applications. Combining high-output intelligent control and a silent enclosure, this model is built for long-term performance. At the heart of the DG150KSE is a reliable Yuchai six-cylinder diesel engine known for its dependable performance and fuel efficiency. Delivering up to 150 kVA and 260 amperes of output, it provides stable power while maintaining low fuel consumption during low operating periods. This model is equipped with the widely trusted ComAp AMF9 intelligent controller. It integrates automatic start and stop, real-time voltage monitoring, overload protection, fault diagnosis, and multiple safety protections. When abnormal conditions are detected, the controller initiates protective shutdown to help reduce conventional equipment damage. The integrated silent enclosure incorporates a professional noise reduction structure designed to minimize operating noise. The canopy is finished with an electrophonetic anti-rust coating that offers strong heat adhesion and excellent resistance to corrosion. Designed for outdoor environments, it withstands sunlight, humidity, rain, and dust while helping extend the generator's service life. Every detail of the generator is engineered for durability, reliability, and ease of maintenance, making it a dependable power solution for demanding industrial applications. Any interest, please contact us.